As a beginner guitarist, you probably think that a chord is just a weird set of frets that you hold, which randomly just sounds good. But the reality is way deeper than that. Welcome to the deep rabbit hole of chords every guitarist goes through. By definition, a chord is the combination of two or more notes which harmonize and sound good together. It's a lot easier to understand music when visualizing things on a piano. Let's take the G major chord, for example. On the piano, we can play the G major using the G, B, and D note. But on the guitar, we play all 6 strings, meaning we are playing 6 notes, right? Well, not exactly. Let's analyze the G major chord shape together. The first string is E, which means 3 frets down is a G note. The second string is A, 2 frets down is a B. The third string is D, which is played open, same for the G and B strings. The last string is also an E, where 2 frets down gives us another G. Overall, the only notes we end up playing when we strum a G major chord are G, B, and D, which are the exact 3 notes we play on the piano to create a G major chords. See, that's easy to understand, right? But then it must strike you, there must be more ways to play these notes together. If you did think that, then you are absolutely correct. There are numerous ways to play the G chord. Let's see what alternatives we can find. A simple alternative is just playing the bottom 3 strings of the normal G major chord we know, since it has all 3 notes we need to play. Another way to play a G chord using the bottom 3 strings is by going down to the 7th fret and playing the 7th fret on the G string, which gives us the D note, the 8th fret of the B string, which gives us the G note, and the 7th fret of the E string, which gives us the B note, which make all 3 notes we need to create a G chord. We can also use a bar chord in these shapes, and when you analyze them, sure enough, all you are playing is the same 3 notes over and over again. It's that simple. And the interesting thing is that every variation of the G chord we mentioned has a different feel to it, and different situations may sound better with one G chord rather than the other. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and subscribe.